Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel PlayLearn family. India shares land borders with how many countries? Answer: 7. India has 15,106.7 kilometers of land border and a coastline of 7,516.6 kilometers, including island territories. India shares land borders with 7 neighboring countries viz. Pakistan, Bangladesh, China, Nepal, Myanmar, Bhutan and Afghanistan. Polvaram project is located in which state? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. The Indira Sagar, Polvaram project is located on the Godavari River near Ramayapet in Polvaram Mandal of West Godavari district in Andhra Pradesh. Which states is largest producer of coffee in India? Answer: Karnataka. Karnataka is the largest producer of coffee in India, followed by Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Paradip port is located on the delta of which place? Answer: Mahandi. Paradip port is located at confluence of river Mahandi in Bay of Bengal in Odisha. It was the first major port on East Coast commissioned in independent India. The water comes to Indira Gandhi Canal from the rivers? Answer: Sutlej and Beas. The Indira Gandhi Canal, formerly known as the Rajasthan Canal, gets its water from the Beas and Sutlej rivers in Punjab, India. The canal starts at the Harike Barrage, which is a few kilometers downstream from where the rivers meet in Punjab. The canal then runs southwest for about 290 miles, carrying water for about 400 miles, and ends in irrigation facilities in the Thar Desert in Rajasthan. In which state of India you will find the natural phenomenon called Charbatti? Answer: Gujarat. In the Run of Kutch, a seasonal salt marsh in Gujarat, there occurs an airy ghost light called Charbatti by the locals. Cha means ghost and Batti means light in the local language. It is said to be a bright light that changes its colors from red, blue to yellow and appears as a moving ball of fire. The phenomenon is said to be caused by the ignition created when elements such as phosphine, pH3, diphosphane, P2H4, and methane, CH4, come in contact with oxygen. Deoni breed of cattle is generally found in which states of India? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. The Deoni breed of cattle is mainly found in the Marathwada region of Maharashtra and the Bidar district of Karnataka. The breed is named after the Deoni Taluk in the Latur district of Maharashtra and is also known as Dongalpati, Dangari, Dekkani, or Surti. Which plant is blacklisted as one of the notorious aquatic weeds in India and other tropical countries, and is known as Terror of Bengal? Answer: Iconia crocips, water hyacinth. Iconia crocips, water hyacinth, is known as Terror of Bengal, which is the first shore-based, modern, integrated steel plant in India? Answer: Vishakhapatnam. Vishakhapatnam steel plant was separated from SAIL and RIND was made the corporate entity of Vishakhapatnam Steel Plant in April 1982. Vizag Steel Plant is the only Indian shore-based, modern and integrated steel plant and is situated on 33,000 acres and is poised to expand to produce up to 20 metric tons in a single campus. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? Answer: Wular Lake. Wular Lake is one of the largest freshwater lakes in Asia. It is sited in Bandipora district in the Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir. The lake basin was formed as a result of tectonic activity and is fed by the Jhelum River. The lake size varies seasonally from 12 to 100 square miles. Which stream systems dissects Aravalli Range? Answer: Narmada, Son. Narmada, Sun river systems dissects Aravalli Range in two parts. India has how many seismic zones? Answer: 4. India has a number of 4 seismic zones. The seismic zoning map helps to identify the lowest, moderate as well as the highest hazardous or earthquake-prone areas in India. Which is the main reason behind the earthquakes of India? Answer: tectonic movement. The main reason for the earthquakes in India is the tectonic movement. The Indian plate is continuously hitting at Asia plate at a rate of approximately 47 mm per year, anticlockwise. Which mountain range is located between Nagaland and Myanmar? Answer: Arkanyoma. The Arkanyoma range is located in the border of Nagaland and Myanmar. Some part of this mountain range is submerged in the Bay of Bengal. What is the importance of Polvaram project? Answer: the Polvaram project is a multi-purpose major terminal reservoir project on river Godavari for the development of irrigation, hydropower and drinking water facilities to the East Godavari, Visakhapatnam, West Godavari and Krishna districts of Andhra Pradesh. Please subscribe for my channel for more updates. Please like, share and comment for your friends. Thanks for